Had really good things to say about you. So I can imagine, can you tell us what's going through your head now that it's finally going to be shown in public? Is there pressure? Is there like, how do you feel?
Yeah, sure. Pwede rin po akong mag-Tagalog. Nano-nosebleed na ba tayo? No, so thank you for that wonderful question. Hindi, I'm here actually. I am really excited to have everybody here in the Philippines kasi the last time we all came together was in New York when we went to the Soho Film Festival. So that was really the first time that we showed the film and got together after shooting last year. And iba po yung feeling na nandito po tayo sa Pilipinas and ito pong pelikula sinasabi ko, it's an American movie but at the same time may pusong Pilipino po ito. Napanood nyo na po diba kanina? Yeah, so it's also one of my I've only done 2 indies and this is my first parang indie rom-com. So sabi ko, simpleng atake lang and totoong-totoo. And yun nga, parang maganda lang yung naging experience na itong mga kasama kong cast, you know, sabi ko nga, I watched them growing up, just kidding. I watched them, you know, because they've been around, they've been in working in this industry for much longer than I have. And so I admire them very much and I love their work. And fan po ako, fangirl ako. So to be in this movie because of Jet and the casting, the producers that put me here, thank you for putting me here to have this experience with everyone. Napakasarap po ng feeling na sa Amerika din po nag-shoot. And now that we're here, syempre po, ang last na pelikula ko, hindi sa MMFF, maybe almost 10 years ago. So, ito po yung pakiramdam ko na, siguro po, tawag po ng tadhana na dito po talaga ako pinanganak, and dito po ako binalik ng Diyos. And sobrang heartwarming po na marami pong nag-aabang and marami ding excited dito sa pelikula. And the fact na may bago, something fresh, talking about divorce in a funny way, na wala pang divorce dito sa Pilipinas. So, ayun po, iba rin po yung naging experience. So I'm happy to be here, excited to see you all. Maraming salamat po.